Today I will be unboxing the Fire HD 8 here. It's the 32 gigabytes. Of course, it's got built-in with Alexa. Okay, this is the front of it. Okay. If you want to read any of this, go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the tablet out of the box. So here's the tablet itself right here. So here's the tablet. And here's the little box with a little nice little smiley face. Let me take everything out. Take everything out. Okay. The setup guide. It comes with the orange welcome book. Charger cable. Comes with the charger box. Right here is the SD slide in case you have a memory card. You have the stereo speakers right here. You have two stereo speakers right here. You have the front cameras right here. With the Kindle Fire, the 7-inch, the front camera is up here. But with the new Kindle Fire 8-inch, the camera is on the side. So that's something that I'm gonna have to get used to because I'm used to the camera being right here, but now it's on the side. Here's the back camera. You can see. Here's the volume up and the volume down button. Here's the charger port. Here's the headphone jack. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the tablet on. Sorry for the little delay. Alright, we're going to set this up. So we're going to press English United States. I want to make the font bigger, so I'm gonna, okay, and then I'm gonna press the blue arrow button next to your Wi-Fi. Now it says, just a second. So now you're gonna have to put your Amazon information here, so it can register your tablet to your Amazon account. I do not want to save the photos, so I'm going to take that out because I don't want the photos saved to my Amazon account. Let's continue. We'll do later. And then there's a little video you have to watch, a little preview video. But we're going to skip the. Then it's going to tell you to put a security pin. You can put a pin, password. Then they're going to ask you, do you want Goodreads? I'm going to press not right now. Then they're going to let you know about books. I'm going to press not right now. Then they're going to ask about apps. I'm going to put not right now. And then Alexa's hand-free. Do we want to enable Alexa? And then takes you to your home screen. So here's the Fire HD 8-inch 32 gigabytes tablet with built-in Alexa. I highly recommend this tablet. So if you can see, I highly recommend this tablet. So guys, go subscribe to my page, like my videos, come join my family. There's going to be a lot more videos coming in the future. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed my video.